Hey guys, just wrapped up my day today and finishing up that last heat pump that I left kind of half done. But I'm back at it. Had a couple days off. You know, I just want a drama-free life. But you know, right now we're having some family issues. I'm not even gonna. It's none of your guys' business. I'm not gonna get into it, but making it real hard for me to focus. And I mean, like I've said in some of the other videos, man, I think people have lost their minds these days, and everybody just wants to attack, and everybody's just gone crazy. I don't know what else more I can say about it, but hope you guys enjoy today's heat pump video, wrapping up that last manufactured home one I was doing. I just want a stress-free life, man. Alright guys, we're back out here finally after my little trip to my dad's. What was I gonna say? So yeah, I'm gonna get this strung out the rest of the way. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to pull this by myself. Of course, I don't have any help. Tell you what, I'm really disenchanted anymore about people's work ethic. Can't find one single person to help me. Get that hatch over there popped, and I'll do some crawling. That's what I do best. Alright guys, I got this unrolled as far as I could. I'm gonna have to go back and forth a couple of times, but it's not that far of a crawl if you look at it. You know, it's right there, so I don't have to go too far, but I have to go back in and out a couple times. If I had help, it'd be a quick pull in and out, but that's not my life these days. So yeah, I'm gonna head on down there, see what it looks like. And what kind of idiot puts their drain pipe right in front of the crawl access? That's what I'd like to know. Oh, put some light on it here. Alright, so I got her pulled to about right there. Right into the cinder block, of course. Alright, I gotta go about another 15 feet that way, 10 feet. Alright, she's up through there. Only took about 6 trips in and out. I'm out of here. Alright, even though our lines connect way up here, it was too much of a pain in the ass because there's a joist right there framing to try and get it straight up, especially by myself. If I had help, I probably would get it up higher, but I'll just piece it here and in. And then on the outside, it's a pain in the butt. There's a lot of plumbing and crap down there in the way. You can see I got her pulled there, so that'll be a nice easy connection. I'm gonna start on the inside. All right. Of course my wire's gonna be short. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Why wouldn't it be? That's okay, we'll splice it because I'm not going back down there. Oh, I do have to go back down there because I have to run the drain, tie the drain in. Oh well. These are pointing up. I won't be able to deburr them. Let's do a nice cut. It's going to get swaged anyway. This side. All right, I'll be back with the swage. Get you a better angle. I don't want it on roto. That a little bit. Alright, got them all switched there, guys. I'm not going to bore you more with this. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it piped in. And I have my my little Street 90s strictly for manufactured homes so I can keep them tighter. This one wouldn't be a huge deal because it's got quite the gap there. But I'm going to go ahead and use this anyway. They're like $4 a piece. Alright guys, just like that. She's all piped in, nice and clean. Even slid my insole tube down on that. Once I did that brace down there first. Yeah, let's go brace on outside. Alright guys, got her all piped in all nice. Got my filter dryer outside because it's a manufactured home. I don't fit them on the inside on these. It'll be fine. Got my valves wrapped. Got my nitro flowing. Let's braze these in. Start with the digging. I love brazing when the weather starts getting warmer. It flows so much better. Cap it. take a look. All right, looks pretty good. Let's pump up the nitro and see what we got. A little bit of burnt paint on there, but like I said, they don't make these stems long enough. Make the stems a little bit longer, keep the paint away from where you're brazing. All right, guys, we got about 283 pounds in her. That's all I had in my nitro tank. I want to swap tanks today. We'll see where she's at. Give it a little while, see where she's at. I'll spray down all my fittings here, all my joints, see where we're at there. In the meantime, I'm going to pull the cover off the air handler. I'm going to start hooking the low voltage up properly on it, and we'll just start cleaning everything up. Then I'll come back and get the vacuum pump going here shortly. All right, guys, I've got a lot done since last video, but just trying to get done and get out of here. Got my I got my secondary switch lined in. I got my primary in. I still got to go tie it in down on the crawl. Got this all cleaned up. Got my filter cabinet in. I have a 20 by 20 grill, but I'm going to mess up the drywall if I try to cut these 2x4s out of here. So I'm just going to get a 16 by 20 to go there, and then they can just build a door to go over this. But yeah, so I'm going to go outside and clean up the outdoor unit. I've showed you that a million times. Not really care about showing you that. You've seen it 1,000 times. So I'll get this thing fired up, get my thermostat mounted, and clean up. All right, guys, sorry I didn't get much video today. I was more in a mode of just trying to get done. There's some family squabbles going on at the moment, and I'm kind of a little distracted, so I just wanted to bust this out and get on my way. But as per usual, got it all nice and sealed up. The hole is caulked outside. I got my locking caps on there per code. She's purring away nicely in cooling. I got set at 68 so the customer can come home to a nice cool house. So it's kind of warm today. Let me show you how the inside turned out. Hold on a sec. I'm gonna grab one of my stickers to put on there first before I show you the inside. Hold on one sec. All right, guys. Inside is as per usual, cut up so we have filter access there. So I'm going to talk to the customer. I'm happy to come put a door if they want to give me a little more extra. I'll come make them a nice door to go over this with hinges that they can open and close. And I need to put a 16 by 20 return grill on there. So I'll probably come back Saturday and just throw that on. I'll order it up today. And then in the meantime, I can talk to them about making a door for them if they would like. The guy's doing his own hardwood flooring, so he can probably do his own door, I would imagine. So it's got the Diversitech SOS1. I just used up all my SS2s, so I'm going to use these up since I have a few of them. Secondary safety switch. Got my usual cheapy Amazon Easy Trap. And, you know, as usual, come down nice and clean. I got all my holes sealed down there. Used to be two electricals, if I can speak. 60 and a 30, now it's just a 60, so that one just gets sealed up. All the paperwork's right there. And I just got a nice F100 4-inch filter. And got my sticker on there. Install date 4/16 of 25. Another one down. You know, 99.9% anyway. Thanks for watching.